Most TVs come and go, lost in a sea of model numbers and incremental updates, but every once in a while a TV arrives that's so ahead of its time that it gets us all excited. At least for a while. Some of these TVs were too expensive, others faced manufacturing challenges, but all the TVs that we'll talk about today left their mark on the industry. Let's talk about 5 unique TVs that dared to be different. Launched in 2013, the Samsung S9C was the first OLED TV to hit the market, and to this day it remains the only one of its kind. Why? Well, the OLED displays used on the TVs today are not like those on your smartphones, but this one was. Modern OLED TVs primarily use white OLEDs with an additional white pixel that limits color volumes at high brightness. A rare few use quantum dot OLEDs or QD-OLED technology that converts blue to red and green using a quantum dot color conversion layer. Yes, the S9C featured individual RGB subpixels per pixel, just as OLED displays on smartphones, and it also had a curved screen. While this approach delivered exceptional picture quality, manufacturing it at large scale and larger sizes was a problem. As a result, Samsung never produced a second generation model and instead pitched QLED as its flagship technology. Modern OLED TVs may have evolved in other interesting ways, but none can claim the same direct RGB subpixel structure as the pioneering S9C. At CES 2025, mini LED TVs with RGB backlight were a hot topic. But Sony had already experimented with this concept 17 years earlier in the Sony KDL-55XBR8 TV. Back in 2008, this TV featured a full array backlight with individually red, green and blue LEDs in the backlight. However, the high cost of manufacturing and the complexities of driving independent RGB LED zones meant that the technology never gained traction. It took almost 2 decades, but it looks like RGB mini LED backlighting has found its way back into the premium LCD TVs. This Sony TV may not have been a commercial success, but it was undeniably ahead of its time. Now TVs are getting thinner, bigger, smarter, but how many of them can roll up like a giant newspaper? The LG R1 Rollable OLED TV was such an engineering marvel, capable of retracting into its base when not in use. Launched in India at an eye-watering price of 75 lakhs, it was a status symbol as much as a display innovation. Despite its futuristic appeal, the Rollable OLED faced challenges. The high cost of production and limited demand made it unsustainable. By 2024, LG officially discontinued the lineup. While rollable displays still have potential, the R1 was a bold but untimely and perhaps impractical attempt at reshaping the TVs. Now, micro LED is often hailed as the future of display technology, combining the best of OLEDs like perfect blacks, per pixel lighting, with none of its drawbacks like burn-in or limited brightness. Samsung introduced the world's first consumer-ready micro-LED TV at CES 2021, which was a massive 110-inch TV that showcased the possibilities of self-emissive micro-scale LEDs without visible seams in the modules. Unlike other pioneering TVs on this list, micro-LED technology isn't dead yet, it's just taking time to become accessible. Samsung continues to refine the technology, and at CES 2025, Hisense entered the arena with its 136mm micro-LED TV. While prices still remain sky high, there is still hope that micro-LED could eventually become the successor to OLED in the premium home entertainment space. Sharp's Aquos Quattron series took a unique approach to color reproduction by adding a 4th yellow subpixel to the traditional red, green and blue pixel structure. This supposedly resulted in a wider color gamut, better brightness and a viewing experience closer to how human eye perceives color. In practice, Quattron had mixed results. While theoretically it enhanced certain shades like gold and yellow, real-world improvements were subtle. Skepticism from industry experts, high pricing, and a lack of content optimized for a 4-color system ultimately led to its limited adoption. Still, it was a fascinating experiment in display innovation that never fully caught on. Of course, this is not an exhaustive list. There were several other firsts that set benchmarks and proved revolutionary, but these 5 TVs were some of the boldest and most ambitious experiments in consumer TV technology, and most of these didn't quite work out. So did we miss out on any of your favorites? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and we'll catch up soon in the next one.